Welcome to Expert Viewpoints, using JSON and JavaScript. In this video, we will hear from several application development professionals discussing situations where knowing JSON and JavaScript has helped them and how they think these methods can benefit new developers.
Familiarity with JavaScript and JSON is more or less a requirement for web developers. If you're not working with the front end at all, you might be able to get away without touching any JavaScript, but JSON is the de facto standard for data serialization. You'll want to learn how to use JSON so that you can consume APIs written by other people and also make your own APIs return JSON so other people can easily use them. Another place you'll see JSON a lot is where you have to specify something in a way that a computer can easily understand. So you'll probably first see that when specifying requirements for a Node.js project, for instance, but you might see it again when specifying deployments for platform as a service offerings or Kubernetes workloads.
JSON, or JavaScript object notation, is built into JavaScript, right? So when you're working with objects in JavaScript, you're essentially working with JSON. That being said, with REST web services, a common format of communication or data is also JSON. So as Node.js developers and as JavaScript developers, you cannot escape from JSON. It's actually a very friendly format to work with. Yeah, JSON is one of those things, if you're a JavaScript developer, if you're a Node.js developer, you need to understand and work with JSON objects. So the sooner you pick it up, the better.
JSON is one of the dominant formats to encode objects in a string. And JSON is a native data type in JavaScript. So serialization converts the JSON object into a byte string, and deserialization converts the byte string back to the JSON object. One great benefit of being comfortable with JSON is that the request and response objects in Cloud REST APIs are often in JSON, at least when you're working at the curl level or the shell script level. Another benefit of knowing JavaScript and JSON is working with JSON-oriented document databases.
Writing in JavaScript and using JSON helps me all the time because JavaScript is the language of the internet, so you see it in a lot of applications, and being able to just add some code to an existing project or write some JavaScript from scratch is really useful. It's like speaking a language that's very popular. And JSON is used by many of the modern languages, including Python and Node.js. So I use Python every single day because it's a really useful way to structure your data and pass it back and forth, and that's the way you get a response from most APIs.